Hello friends, welcome back to Englamblight, the channel where English learning becomes easy and natural. Today we are going to learn about something called binomials. Yes, it is called binomials. Don't worry, it is not a difficult grammar word. In fact, you already use some of binomials without even realizing them. Let me explain in simple words. What is a binomial? A binomial simply means two words that always go together in a fixed way. You will notice they are usually joined by and or or. For example, we don't say sound and safe. We only say safe and sound. These fixed pairs make your English sound more natural and fluent. Let's understand with examples. Imagine this, you come home after a long journey and your friends ask, "How was the trip?" You smile and say, "Don't worry, I am safe and sound." That is our first binomial, safe and sound. You have already used this. Now think about relationships, whether it is with friends, family, or colleagues. Life is always about a little give and take. Even in business negotiations, nothing is one sided. There is always give and take. You must have used this next one many times. Pros and cons. Before buying a new phone or before deciding on work from home, we always think, what are the pros and cons? See, you have already know this binomial. And in office, you will hear this a lot. We have been sending emails back and forth. It is simply means sending messages again and again, like a tennis ball going to and fro. Sometimes we are not exact, but we want to give an idea. For example, this pizza is more or less enough for 3 people. Or we say in office, the report is more or less ready for tomorrow. Not 100% exact, but close enough. Another one that makes you sound smart is that by and large. It means in general. You can say, by and large, the weekend was fun. Or you can say, by and large, the team did well this quarter. Have you noticed some phrases sound strong only when they are fixed, like black and white? We say, the rules are written in black and white. Or we say, I need the agreement in black and white. It means clearly, officially, with no confusion. Now let's bring in something important. First and foremost, whenever you want to highlight the most important thing, you say, first and foremost, health matters. Or you say, first and foremost, respect deadlines. Next comes now and then. You might say, I meet my old friends now and then. Or you say in the office, we update this document now and then. Not daily, not always, but sometimes. Finally, one of my favorites, trial and error. Think about cooking for the first time or learning a new software. You try, you fail, you try again. That is trial and error. So friends, today we saw how binomials are simply two words that always stick together. They make your English sound smooth, natural and professional. I challenge you to use at least one binomial in your conversation today. Write your example in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Englamblight for more easy English learning. And remember, first and foremost, keep practicing. Till then, bye bye.